Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you this calendar that I just received. So this calendar is a magnetic one. There are 4 really strong magnetics in the back that you can hang up to anything. Most people do it to their fridges, which is where we're going to be keeping it. Another thing is there are these like edges on the side that protect your pages from like folding or anything really happening to them. And also when you're opening your fridge, the papers aren't like flying up. It keeps them nice and down. So about this calendar, it has like some things already written down, like Christmas, Labor Day, Halloween, and all that stuff. It has like the mini writings of it, and obviously you can write in it wherever. Like for me, I could write when I have tests. My mom, she does lots of Zoom calls. She could write her Zoom calls here. You could do your birthdays, dentist, anything that you feel like you're gonna forget, because obviously lots of people, they're in their fridge every single day. So just seeing it is a nice reminder. So if you're looking for anything to help you like keep updated with stuff and not forget, then this is a super nice thing. It's from 2026 to 2027 all the way to December, so you can see there's like a lot of pages, and this paper quality is super nice. It's not thin, it's like a nice material where it's not as easy to break, or if anything like water gets on it, it's not gonna like take as much damage. So overall, I love this calendar. I'm gonna write everything in here that I can remember because I'm a super forgetful person. So if you are too and you're looking for a calendar that you can hang up, good paper quality, the edges are protected, good magnets, then I would definitely recommend trying this one.